All right, guys, let's do our worksheet 47. You were supposed to watch the video first. The rule was talking about a Y that has a long I sound. And if you will notice right here in the rule, they've shown you how to code a Y that has a long I sound. So let's fill out this side of the worksheet and then you can go work on the other side independently. All right, our first word is sprint. Sprint. I don't see a Y in this word, so we're just going to code that short I sound with a breathe. Next one. Now this one will apply to our rule. We have fly. Fly. It has a long I sound, so we're going to do a dot over the Y, a macron, and we'll accent this word. Next word, weep. 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 We have long E sounds. We don't have long I. So we're going to underline here. Do a macron. Second E, quiet. Okay. Next word, stubble. Stubble. We have two syllables, stubble. We have an ending here, BLE, so we're going to put a bracket around it. We have a short U sound. We have a quiet E, and we're going to accent the first syllable. Next word, orbit. Orbit. We have a combination. We have two vowels here, so we'll go ahead and mark our two vowels. So our rule will be CCV, excuse me. We have two syllables, and we have a short I sound, and we accent the first syllable. Last one, we have maple. PLE, we'll put a bracket around. We have long A, quiet E, and we'll accent. I'm out of room, I can't see. I'll do a little green accent mark so you can sort of see. We're going to accent that first syllable there. Okay, so let's match up our picture to our words. First picture, kind of looking like some syrup, pancake. So what word might go with that? It's a certain kind of syrup, so we're going to match it up. Maple syrup. That's what they're pointing to, is maple syrup. Next word is a fly, or a picture is a fly, so we'll match it up to the word fly. And the last one looks like someone is crying a lot. So we call that weep, when we weep. Okay, let's read our story together, and we're going to answer the quick questions. Mom gave Dave a red and green kite. Dave wanted to fly the kite after lunch, but the wind was not strong. Dave will try to fly the kite when the wind is stronger. So we need to underline our important details to help us with these answers. Okay, so the first question is, when will Dave try to fly the kite? So it's a little tricky here because in sentence number 2, it is saying that Dave wanted to fly the kite after lunch. So that may kind of trick you and make you think he wants to do it, or that is when he's going to try. But it says the wind was not strong enough, so he's going to try to fly the kite when the wind is stronger. So that's a little tricky. So when will he try to fly the kite? And we want to say when the wind is stronger. All right, number 8. Dave has a green and blank kite. If you look in sentence number 1, it says a green and it would be red. They turn those words around. Last one. The wind was not good for flying the kite. Yes or no? The wind was not good. That is true. That is a true statement. Yes, correct statement. Okay, guys. All right, so what you're going to do, flip your paper over, work on this on your own, and Put it in your folder to return to school. Have a great day.